Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making rice cereal, also known as Arroz de Atole. We use it as a breakfast meal because it is rich and filling and it satisfies my children. This is one of their top favorite breakfasts. For this recipe, what we're going to need to do is add our rice to the Instant Pot, and the ratio for rice to water is exactly the same. So I use 3 cups of rice to 3 cups of water. If your family's smaller, go ahead and shrink that down. But this is going to serve our family of 5 people who eat this. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to put our lid on the Instant Pot and make sure that the knob is set to seal. And we're going to set the Instant Pot to cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. And then we're going to let it naturally release for 7 minutes. Once the 7 minutes are up, go ahead and release the rest of the pressure instantly. After that, I turn off the Instant Pot. And we're gonna add 3/4 cups of maple syrup and then 5 cups of milk and just give it a stir, and that is it. This recipe is complete. This cereal is rich, creamy, and cinnamony. You will absolutely love it. I really hope you give this recipe a try because it tastes amazing. If you make this recipe, leave me a message down in the comments and let me know what you think. If you make this already, tell the other people what you think about it down in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications of every time I post new videos. I will see you on my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.